Good evening, students. So, yesterday we learned about the different methods of contraception, that how the unwanted or undesired pregnancies can be avoided by using different methods. So, we learned about the different categories of contraception. Natural methods were there, then the oral pills are there, then intrauterine devices can be fitted, and these intra IUDs can be non-medicated, medicated, copper releasing or hormones releasing, or there can be implants under the skin which are releasing the hormones. And ultimately, finally there is one method which is for the termination. Once the family is complete, the couple doesn't want any further increase in the family by increasing the children, so that is sterilization method, uh, surgical method, vasectomy in males and tubectomy in females. So by using the convenient method of contraception, the couple can have gap in the among their children, and can have some time after the marriage to have the first baby. Clear. And then we saw about the emergency contraception methods also, where in case of rapes or in case of casual intercourse, if the couple or the girl wants to um, avoid the pregnancy, then within 72 hours, the intrauterine devices or the oral pills can be started. Now, today we will discuss about the medical termination of pregnancy, MTP. Now, medical means with the help of the medicines in the medicine field. Termination is what? To stop pregnancy. So, there in certain unprecedented circumstances, medically it becomes difficult for the lady to carry on with the pregnancy, or there are some problems, some medical problems, or some physical defects with the fetus. So the it becomes essential medically to abort that child, and that is called medical termination of pregnancy, MTP. So today we are going to learn what is MTP, how or why it should be done, because there are misuses also, especially in India. Female feticide is a very, very common social evil which is prevailing in our society. Once the couple comes to know that the fetus is girl child is there, they go for female feticide, and that is the misuse of MTP. But in certain cases, medically, it is essential to abort the baby because it is harmful for the mother or the fetal, and it may be fatal for both of them. So, in those circumstances, MTP is essential. That's why the Indian government, with very strict laws, have allowed it since 1971. So legally it is allowed. The couple can go for MTP, but there are strict rules for it. So today we are going to learn about that what is it, and whether it should be done or not. That debate is there. So if we see medical termination of pregnancy, it is intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term. That means in between the pregnancy, before the completion of the 9 months, due to any kind of reasons, intentionally and voluntarily, the couple or the lady wants to terminate her pregnancy, and that is called MTP. This is also, you can call it an induced abortion. There are abortions which are accidental, but this is an induced abortion. Whether to accept or legalize MTP or not is being debated upon in many countries due to emotional ethical, religious, and social issues involved in it. Emotional issues are involved in it because the lady is carrying that fetus in her womb for so long, and then there is an attachment between the fetus and the mother and the child, and emotionally it is very distressful for the mother to get aborted, to get that fetus aborted. Ethical issues are also there because in a way it is killing, it is murdering of the child. Religious issues are there, then social issues are there. So all these issues, considering all these issues, it is a topic for debate that whether we should accept MTP or we should legalize a MTP, or we should ban MTP. So Government of India legalized MTP in 1971 with some strict conditions to avoid its misuse. As I told you, the misuse is more because once the couple comes to know that the fetus is girl child, they will go for abortion, female feticide. So to that is the misuse. So to avoid this misuse, the Government of India has legalized MTP with some strict conditions. Legalization is important because, as I told you, that there are certain medical conditions in which MTP becomes essential for the health of the mother. Such restrictions are all the more important to check indiscriminate and illegal female feticide, which are reported to be high in India. As we have already learned what is amniocentesis, that is the sex determination test in which the fluid is taken out from the amnion sac and there are certain fetal cells inside it, and seeing the chromosomal pattern of these cells, the doctor or the nurse or the medical assistant, whoever is doing it, they will come to know about the sex of the child. And if they disclose the sex of the child to the parents go for female feticide if the fetus is girl. So to check this indiscrimination, because that is disturbing the sex ratio and that is not good. So to check this indiscrimination and illegal female feticide, the government has put strict restrictions on MTP. The unwanted pregnancies may occur. Now, how these pregnancies occur? They may occur due to casual, unprotected intercourse that can be among the married couples only. And if they are not ready to have a child, they can go for MTP. Then failure of contraceptive. Yesterday we discussed about the various methods of contraceptives, but the no contraceptive is 100% efficient. So chances of failure are always there, in some cases more, in some cases less. So if the contraceptive method which has been used is failed during coitus, then the couple may want to go for MTP because the pregnancy is unwanted. And in case of rapes, suppose the rape is been during the fertile period of the girl, there are chances that the girl may conceive. So that's why in that case MTP is essential. MTP are essential in cases where continuation of pregnancy could be harmful or even fatal to the mother or to the fetus or both. So if actually MTP is for that only, that if it is harmful for the mother or for the fetus or for both, then this should be done. MTP are considered relatively safe during the first trimester. First trimester means first 3 months of pregnancy, that is up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. The lady can go for medical termination because that is relatively safer. After third semester, the risk increases. Risk for the health of the mother increases if the female is going for MTP after trimester. So it is safe that the whatever is the problem should be detected, should be decided in first trimester only, and they can go for MTP during that period, because in that period it is relatively safer. Now, risk involved with MTPs are abortions are riskier after first trimesters. Suppose the lady is going for MTP after completion of her 3 months of pregnancy, then the risks for the health of the female is all the more. So, abortion is riskier. MTP is performed illegally by unqualified quacks. This is a very big problem in our villages, because in our villages there are quacks. Quacks are what? The elderly ladies who have some experience with these delivery and MTPs. So they perform this procedure of termination of pregnancy. And rather than going to a qualified doctor, or rather than going to a good hospital, the couple, they go to a quack, unqualified quacks, and they are, that is not only safe, but also it can be fatal also for the mother, because of the unhygienic conditions, the unsterilized equipments, the conditions which are used by these quacks. They are not qualified, medically qualified to perform this procedure. So it is being performed illegally by unqualified quacks. That is very unsafe, and it could be fatal too. And this practice could be dangerous both for the young mother and the fetus.